Ready.
It is clear that Mohamed Bouazizi from Tunisia's behavior from about December has triggered off a serious outbreak within the North African Middle Eastern region. His penchant for freedom, his penchant for human rights, something that the Muslim world in this region of the world has been clamoring for quite a while, but has emboldened them to now have this what we call Arab Spring uprisings right across the Middle East and North Africa. We see it occurring, we saw it spreading in Tunisia first. We saw Ben Ali, who was the president of Tunisia, having to flee right, to Saudi Arabia. Then we saw the revolution going over into Egypt, whereby after days, Hosni Mubarak was forced from power. However, what we see happening though is that in both situations, in the Tunisian situation and in the Egyptian situation, it initially started out with the persons demanding freedoms and also the military, the security apparatuses of these states using profound force against the population who initially were just asking for some fundamental freedom that we here in this region, we here in the West would take for granted. These are